Digital products are taking the world by storm, and it's no secret why. They're convenient, accessible, and can be sold and delivered instantly, making them a dream come true for creators and consumers alike. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a printable, digital products have changed the face of online business, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. Many people want to get in on the action, but they're held back by common obstacles. Maybe you're one of them. You've got a great idea, but you have no idea how to turn it into a digital product. Perhaps you're not tech-savvy, or you don't know how to market your product once it's created. Or maybe you're just stuck, and you can't seem to come up with an idea that resonates with your audience. Whatever the reason, starting a digital product business can feel daunting, and it's easy to get discouraged before you even begin. Lack of technical skills is a major hurdle for many would-be digital product creators. You might be thinking, but I'm not a coder. I don't know how to design a website or create a sales page. And that's a valid concern. But the good news is that you don't need to be a tech expert to create a digital product. There are tools and platforms available that can help you get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Another common challenge is coming up with an idea that resonates with your audience. You might be thinking, what if my product doesn't sell? What if nobody wants it? And that's a fear that holds many people back from taking the leap. But the truth is, there are many types of digital products that can be created quickly and easily, and that have a high demand in the market. So what are some of these digital products that can be created quickly and easily? One of the oldest and still the most popular is the ebook. Ebooks are great because they're relatively easy to create and they can be sold and delivered instantly. You can create an ebook on just about any topic, from cooking to photography to marketing. Another popular option is the online course. Online courses are great because they allow you to teach your audience a skill or share your knowledge with them in a more in-depth way. And then there are printables. Printables are great because they're easy to create and they can be customized to fit your brand and style. To create an ebook, you'll need to decide on a topic, create an outline, and start writing. You can use a template to make it look professional and then convert it into a PDF. Once you've got your ebook created, you can sell it on your website or on platforms like Amazon. To make the ebook creation process even easier, consider using AI tools like Scribble or Designer. These platforms allow you to create professional-looking ebooks with minimal effort, offering templates and design features that streamline the entire process. One unique digital product that has high potential for profitability is a printable planner. Printable planners are great because they're customizable and they can be sold and delivered instantly. You can create a planner on just about any topic, from fitness to productivity to meal planning. And the best part is that you can sell it on your website or on platforms like Etsy. So there you have it, a few examples of digital products that can be created quickly and easily. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, there's a digital product out there that's right for you. And the best part is that you can get started today. So which digital product are you going to create first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks on creating and selling digital products, be sure to check out our other videos and click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.